You get a feeling when it's time for your mother or father to make a move. Mom was living on her own, and of course, when you live on your own and you don't have a job anymore, one day rolls into the next. Wasn't seeing very many of her friends and certainly not getting activity, particularly during the winter months. I also knew that she wasn't taking her medication the way she should. So we looked at Fredonia Place. Actually, we looked at about 5 different facilities. And we looked at Fredonia Place, and it kept her safe, it's keeping her secure.
The strength of Fredonia Place is its community, is its security, are the people that are here, the staff.
I believe that people come to Fredonia Place really to get a new lease on life.
I like it here. It's better than living alone.
When I first started at Fredonia Place, one of the challenges that I found were that folks didn't want to give up their independence. My objective was to show them that they weren't giving up their independence, that they were just coming into a group of friends. I love to talk about it like it's a college, you're going back to college. That was a great time in many of our lives. Life was easy in college. Life is easy at Fredonia Place. You go down, your meals are served to you. If you need any help with things, even your basic things like laundry or taking care of your apartment, we're going to do all of that for you. All that's left is the good stuff.
Well, this is one of them, the exercise, and then we have crafts.
We like the programs they have. They have quite a few musical things.
And we sing along with them. That's real fun.
To go to happy hour, to take a mystery tour with your friends and go to eat lunch somewhere in our area, to go on shopping shuttle, to watch a movie in our beautiful theater.
You know, the building really is a study in form and function. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, in fact, in certain parts of the building's actually color-coded so that folks can find themselves around fairly easily.
And we'll walk throughout the campus. We'll take a look at all of the amenities, from the theater room to the library, the puzzle corner, and we'll look at some of the services.
We have a great AccuFlow system which helps us distribute folks' medication so we can help manage that program for them.
Another convenience of being here is that they can see their doctor in a clinical setting without having to leave the campus. During the snowstorms recently, they did not miss a beat with regards to medication, with regards to food, where some other facilities may have had compromised facilities. Fredonia Place has been built to medical steel standards, so the building was never in any danger, and in fact we have a generator here, so that when the village did lose electricity, the generator kicked in and we never missed a beat. Throughout the tour, we'll always take a look at the various apartments that we have. Each apartment is equipped with a stove, a refrigerator, a microwave. It has a washer and dryer. And then you've got a separate bedroom. You've got a living room, and depending on which apartment style you choose, some have patios or balconies. And then we have our bathroom, which is consistent through every apartment in that it is built to the highest safety standards that we can offer. In each apartment, we also have a safety pull chain in both the bathroom and the bedroom in case you can't get to your pendant, in case there's a situation where you need help. And again, it may not necessarily be a security issue, it may just mean you need help. It's also a great place when you come here for lunch or dinner. It's restaurant style, so you're served. This isn't a buffet, this isn't a chow line.
Now, last night, for example, we had cordon bleu, and I thought that was excellent.
It's a elegant way to enjoy 3 meals a day. We also pay attention to the nutritional needs of the people who are here, so you can be as independent here, or if you need assistance, we're here to help.
The piece that I do is called the functional assessment and the care plan. So basically what that does is talk about how much assistance they're going to need when they come here. Many residents are very independent and don't require any assistance. And other residents do need help in the bathroom, getting dressed in the morning, making their bed, laundry, those kind of things. What their norms are, so that we have a good picture of, well, this is normal that she sleeps until 10 o'clock, or that she stays up until 11, or she doesn't eat breakfast. you know, what her go-to meals are, all of those things. So we have a really good snapshot of the person prior to them moving in.
You know that your parent is in good hands because the staff has a genuine concern and love of the residents here.
It's always thrilling that those people who say, I'm going to hate moving, I don't want to leave my home, are the people who I see thriving.
My mother fought me every step of the way for 2 years, and like most residents now, she sits back and says, I wish we would have done this 2 years ago.
No one ever moved in too early. Of all the residents that we get in and all the families that I speak after they've moved in, they're all saying, why didn't I do this sooner?
And I didn't want to come. I really fought my kids for about 6 months. I didn't want to come, but it's a lot better than living alone.
I feel healthier because I'm not fighting elements, and I'm not fighting stairs, and I'm not fighting irregular patterns in, you know, old homes that they live in. And so all of a sudden, their life has been made easier, and they always say, I should have done this months or years ago. It's always time to look. Give us a call. We'd be happy to give you that tour, to go over the financial end, to look at some planning. Once again, the strength of Fredonia Place is its community, is its security, are the people that are here, the staff, and you'll never get to experience that unless you take a look.